Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be testing out the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation, and this will be in the shade 440. Alright, so I'm just gonna prime my face using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Do not come for me in the comment section talking about why I didn't use the Fenty primer. I didn't use it because I didn't have it and my coins did not allow me to get it at this current time. So I'm using what I got. Look at that, y'all. Look at that packaging though. So anyways, I picked up the shade in 440, which is the same shade that I have the matte foundation in. The new packaging for the hydrating foundation is way better to me because with the squeeze bottle, you're able to drop it and it not break as compared to the frosted bottle that the original matte foundation came in. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend that foundation in, and the formula on this new foundation is way different than the matte foundation. I found myself doing a lot to make the matte foundation just work for me because I do have dry skin, and then sometimes I'll have combination skin. It's all over the place. So this is a good medium, like it's a good in between. The coverage is okay. It's medium to full. I use 2 pumps, so I still got medium coverage because I do have dark spots from my acne scars. Okay, so this is $4.40 in the matte foundation and then in the hydrating foundation. So this is the foundation, not set or anything else, just applied. So I put No Beans as an eyeshadow all over my lid. And then, okay, so just to recap, I used the Milk Hydro Grip Primer to prime my face. Then to set my foundation, I used the translucent medium deep Laura Mercier setting powder all over it. Okay, so now I'm just going to use some Palmer's cocoa butter stick just to hydrate my lips before I finish them off. I will be using the UnVeil Stunna lip paint by Fenty Beauty. This is like a matte brown color, which I am in love with. If you guys seen any of my other videos, I've used this several times. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my face using the Milani Make It Last 16 Hour setting spray. This setting spray holds up super bomb, you guys. So I go in between this one and my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I like the healthy glow that the foundation gives. It's not oily. Under the lights, my ring light, it may look a little shiny, but in person it was super bomb. And everything turned out real nice. Like, I was surprised by the formula and the texture and the finish that it gave, but this foundation is amazing. Like, Fenty has redeemed themselves with this hydrating foundation. Cause girl, that matte foundation was not for the dry girls at all. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys gonna cop this foundation, and if you have, how did you like it? Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video, as well as join the fam. Till next time, y'all. Love y'all. Bye.